Hello guys. Good evening guys. Kumakain siya guys.
No.
Ikaw din kuya?
No, haven't.
Ah.
No, haven't.
Siyempre, laging handa si Bunso. Tignan nyo naman yung baon.
Come on, Johan.
Pupunta kami ng ng pumpkin. Ano yun? Pumpkins after dark. No, no we're not. Kasama ulit namin yung mga kaklase ni Jairus.
A few moments later.
You tell me, where are we going?
I don't know.
We're going to
Where's
the
the store?
Borden Park. Ay, Pumpkins after dark.
Borden Park.
Naman tayo, hello guys. Eating gloves. Ay, may pusa sa nak. Joke lang. Ano lang siya, pusang hindi totoo. Hindi pusang totoo. Oh, may ano dala extra.
Watch your stuff. So crunchy. It's like we're lining up for nothing.
Back this way. Ano, pumpkin?
Totoo kaya yan?
Oo, ayan o, weighing 2,749 pounds. Largest pumpkin in the world. Oh. Sup, McLouie? Ang tangkad do, grabe.
I know, right? I'm like tall too.
You are?
Right. Yes.
Almost, anak, almost. Look at that. Andito na kami sa loob. Titignan namin yung mga kachorbahan. Oo nga. Si Maylin, sample nga.
Sample lang mga
Isang beses lang.
Ganyan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. What? Dalawa.
A knight and shining armor.
Come on, guys. Why are you bringing?
Parang alitap-tap. Tatay. Say hi. Jairus.
Whoa, very scary.
Yeah, Jairus.
We'll fight next year. Okay, bro.
What is it? Ang galing ng face, oh. Parang castle.
Three Stooges.
Saan? Bulag pipi bingi. Meron. Nakita ko din eh.
Really like this one. Yeah.
Saan yan? King Lord of the Rings. Saan si tatay? Andiyan kayo, dali. Video ko na lang kayo. Sumasayaw na. Nakuha yun. Kala mo ha. Tatay. Kami na lang ni Miley. Grabe bang picture eh. Nakaganon. I-picturean lang eh.
Riley, where are you guys?
Tay-tay. Ang galing ah.
Oh my god.
Hi. Hindi masyadong kita yung face natin. Siyempre.
It's Halloween already. Like right.
Akala ko naman dito, the human. No, the wolfman.
Oh, I thought that's a
It's the wolfman.
may rayuma.
May rayo. May salampas all over. Ay, ano pala to? Naka-costume.
Oh yeah, guys.
Yes. Party.
Really take pictures.
You want picture here?
No, I said we could really take pictures though. Look at honey.
Ay, robot. Ito nga si Michelin eh. Pero sino talaga siya?
Stay pop.
Sasabihin ko Ghost Fighter eh. Ghostbuster. Uy, ganito. Ghostbuster. Yan. Ayan, get out daw. Masayo si tatay oh. Parang night market. Natapos na kami doon ng mga picture and everything. Naman kung anong trip nitong mga batang ere. Parang night market ano. Sumayaw pa.
Orchid in a
Si
6
tatay sumayaw. Pulled pork putin. Oh, pulled pork putin. Hold it.
Matagal pa trabaho nyo to.
Tingnan ako, ano yan? Bacon. How was it?
It's tough.
Huh? Really tough?
Yes.
Meaning matigas. Ano pong sa inyo? Ay, ang laki!
Mas malaki nga ngayon.
Thank you. Ayan, oh, diba? Last full show. Diba parang tayo nasa last full show?
What the fun